Hey there, future moneymakers. Have you ever wondered how to make some serious cash online? Well, get ready, because today, I'm going to spill the beans on how I made $8,000 per month online. And guess what? We'll even sprinkle in some inspiration from successful icons like Elon Musk. So, just before the video starts, make sure to like and subscribe, or don't. Anyway, back to the video. Buckle up and get ready for this thrilling ride. Picture this, I'm sitting in my pajamas, sipping on a cup of coffee, and making money while the world sleeps. How did I do it? Let me break it down for you. Step 1. Find your gold mine. Just like Elon Musk revolutionized the electric car industry, I found my own niche online. Whether it's dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or creating and selling digital products, there's a gold mine waiting for you. So, explore your passions and find that sweet spot where opportunity meets profit. Step 2. Hustle hard, baby. Success doesn't come knocking on your door while you binge watch your favorite shows. No, you've got to hustle. Just like Elon Musk juggles SpaceX, Tesla, and more, you've got to put in the work. Wake up early, stay up late, and give it everything you've got. Step 3. Fail forward. Here's the deal. Failure is part of the journey. Even Elon Musk had his fair share of setbacks. So, embrace those moments when things don't go as planned. Laugh at your mistakes, learn from them, and keep pushing forward. Failure is just a stepping stone to success. Step 4. Data, data, data. Just like Elon Musk relies on data to make strategic decisions, you need to analyze your online ventures. Dive into the numbers, track your progress, and make data-driven choices. Trust me, the insights you gain will catapult your success to the next level. Step 5. Network and collaborate. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your online ambitions. Join forums, engage in Facebook groups, and connect with other online entrepreneurs. Collaboration is the secret sauce that brings success to the table. And finally, step 6. Cha-ching. Monetize, baby. Just like Elon Musk turned his big ideas into lucrative businesses, it's time to monetize your online ventures. From affiliate partnerships to sponsored content, there are endless possibilities. So, grab that cash, do a happy dance, and watch your bank account grow. And there you have it, my friends. That's how I made $8,000 per month online, with a little inspiration from the master of innovation himself, Elon Musk. Remember, success is within your reach. So, find your niche, hustle hard, embrace failure, analyze your data, network like a pro, and monetize like a boss. I hope this journey inspired you to take action and create your own online success story. Now go out there and make that money rain. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.